Now that Norwegian Cruise Line is sailing again, they're encouraging their guests to use the NCL app to check in, book excursions, shows, and meals, as well as view guest schedule events once on board. Let's begin in your app store. Very important. Make sure you're downloading the correct app. There are many with similar shape or color background. These may be scams. Once the app is downloaded, if you have a username and password from the NCL website, you can log in here. If not, you'll need to create one. Let's look at the features of the app. At the top right is the countdown to your cruise. To the left of it is your cart, which will hold anything you're purchasing, such as upgrades or excursions. The envelope is one of the ways that NCL will communicate with you. Check this often for important updates. Finally, the heart is where you flagged an excursion or event that you're interested in, but you have not put it in your cart for purchase yet. In the top left corner, there are 3 lines. By clicking on the lines, a pop-out will open showing 4 options. Home takes you back to the main page. The vacation summary shows your stateroom information and a map and calendar of your ports. Check-in is where you'll check in your whole party. I'll show you how to do this in the next video in this series. The help section shows your latitude information and any NCL help contact numbers you may need. Back at the main page, if you scroll up, you'll see all the fun stuff. All of your choices for booking, such as excursions and dining, entertainment, gifts, casino tournaments, spa, and upgrades to your current packages. I'll show you how to book these things in the 3rd video in this series. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and while you're at, subscribe to my channel and enjoy some more of my great travel videos.